name is Rakas. Today we create a new series, and today's topic we're gonna talk about React with a TypeScript when we're using useState. So let's begin. What we're gonna do first, create a folder with the name component, then we create file. Use state, in this case with this x. First we use a snippet rvca. Nice. What's next? We implement use state, then we're gonna create a const use state. So first of all we should start, I don't know, from string maybe. Const something went wrong. Okay, I forgot. Yeah, const string you set string, then use state with the null. So what it says, we put on just a null with it's nothing, just a some value. Then we're gonna do create div that button, and button will be the name, I don't know, just add fruit. Okay, add fruit, and then we're gonna put bracket JSON stringify, and value would be string. Okay. Okay, if I'm right, type string. Okay. Then button would be on click, arrow, function arrow. Then we will put set string, that one, and in this case if we add a fruit, so it would be apple. Okay, we get an error. Argument of type apple is not assignable to parameter of type set state action null. He can understand if you wanna add string or null. So what we should do, we add generic arguments. In this case would be string or null, like that. And if it's everything okay, we should start the server. So what it does, it's good when you're working with the payload that getting back from the server, or whether payload type is. So what we're gonna do, we open that like that, put over there. Oh, okay, we forgot to add, in this case, in our main container, okay, in this we use state. I don't wanna that, don't like that. And okay, it's nice, it's writing null, and we add that apple. That's good. The next I don't know, type maybe can use a number. Const number, set number. Okay, use state, and right now we just put array, it's nothing for now. Then we're gonna create second button and this button would be on click set string, but we wanna use set number. Okay. Then we write, I don't know, okay, like that. Spread operator number. In the second, I will explain what I'm doing over there. Number and len. Okay, then we're gonna add number to array. Then we're gonna use number like that. Okay, we can see type number is not assignable to type never. So what this says, if this day look like array, we infer number array like generic, because came from okay, because so it came to never array like what that we can see. So what we should do, we put number array, that's all. And what it's mean, it's more, it's take the original number, like this original number length of number, and we add it like that. So if it's everything okay, we should go and try. Okay, well, we can see from 0 and moreover putting. In this case, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you see some values, I don't know, bye.